Rumor alert! Rumor alert! YouTube family! What is going on, y'all, man? It's a lot of rumors in the air, man. You know I gotta bring it to y'all. Look, it's a lot of rumors in the air, man. Look, hey, happy first of the month. You know what I'm saying? We are back live. We gotta start off the month with some banging news, some shocking news to say, man. You know what I'm saying? I was just scrolling on my phone and I done got some notifications, man. A little buzz in the air, a little, you know what I'm saying? I got a little web in my ear. You feel what I'm saying, man? But we about to dive into that. Before we do it, this is y'all first time stopping through, man. I truly appreciate y'all time, man. I truly appreciate y'all watching the video. Make sure y'all start it off. It's a new month, man. We got to start off the month right. Hit that like button. Let's run it up, man. We need 2K likes on this video. Easy, bruh. Easy. 2K likes. Let's get it up. And I need 3K if it does happen. You feel what I'm saying? So, like I did mention briefly, it's rumors, bro. A lot of rumors, you know what I'm saying? I gotta, whenever I hear news from now on, I gotta say rumor, because who knows, bro? I don't work for Nike. I just get the information I get and I share it with y'all, man. But like I did say, today is the first of the month, May 1st. On May 2nd, we are scheduled to have a drop of some Spider-Man ones, man. Before we get into it though, y'all better keep that same energy, man, because a lot of y'all wasn't feeling this shoe. A lot of y'all still might not be feeling this shoe, but I know y'all probably still gonna go for them. But a lot of y'all wasn't feeling this shoe when we seen first images, mock-ups, I guess, of the shoe. Y'all was like, but it does fit the theme of the movie. It is modeled, of course, after the Spider-Man movie, Across the Spider-Verse. It is the upcoming Spider-Man movie. I think it's releasing, what, June 1st or June? Somewhere in June, you know what I'm saying? We're getting this release of that movie. It would have been dope for them to release it around the time of that movie release, but we're getting it about a week, 2 weeks early before the movie drops. And shockingly, we're supposed to be getting it sooner than that, man. So like I said, May 2nd, we're supposed to be getting a shock drop of the Spider-Man ones. Man, I do have a detailed look of the shoe, an in-hand look at the shoe. I will show y'all that here in a second. But before we get into that, your boy did get a package delivered to him today. Nothing too major, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too major. I just want to share it with y'all, make it part of the video, and go from there, man. So let me show y'all what your boy done picked up. My God. Bang, y'all. So shout out to Culture Kings, man. This is not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form. I spent my hard-earned money on this right here, man. So Culture Kings is a hat company. I think that's where I actually got this hat from, man. Bisons. You know your boy been going crazy on the Buffalo Bisons lately, man. And this is nothing different, man. So this is the packaging. I already unboxed it. I took it out the box. I was ready to see it. But as you can see, barely see, of course, the glare, but right there inside there, you got another Bison's hat, man. But we about to unbox it. So this is how it's packaged inside of the cardboard box that it is shipped in. And yeah, man, decent, you know what I'm saying? Shipping packaging, in my opinion. And I'm gonna show y'all the hat real quick and what the hat goes with, man. So popping out the hat, fire, bro. Fire. So bang, there you have it, y'all. You got that all over cream. Better yet, man, this is from the Neapolitan collection. You know what I'm saying? Making y'all want some ice cream? But it is from the Neapolitan collection. As you can see, it got the brown hits on it. And that brown, y'all, is corduroy. As you can see, do got that corduroy on the brim. You got the pink under brim. And, of course, you got the cream sail color on the top of the hat. You do got your Bison with in brown and pink, and it does have that little hue of that blue, that light blue on it, man. New Era, of course, side hit right there. You do got the pink baseball MLB logo on the back, man. Clear up, bro. Clear up. Get right, camera. There we go. But you got that, and then of course you do got a side patch right there on the side. Buffalo Bison's joint, man. So dope hat in my opinion, man. Of course. Let me grab the kicks, man. You know what this is for, right? Did y'all forget about the kicks? Bang, man. A release from 2022. Did these release last year or the year before that? I don't even know, man. But bro, these right here, hard, man. Your boy never got the mocha joint, so I did have to get, of course, the women's exclusive Neapolitan joints, man. These are hard. I only wore them probably like one time, but I will be bringing them out, man. Put together a nice fit with these, man. But I do got the hat to go with the Neapolitans. Of course, Travis Scott vibes, you know what I'm saying? A lot of different things I could wear with it, man. But just wanted to show y'all the unboxing of the hat that your boy caught, man. A lot of y'all be asking to see my hat collection, man. Let me know if that's something y'all are wanting to watch, man, because like I said, this is a sneaker slash fashion channel, man. If y'all want to see the hats, I might as well just bring out the hats, man. But Buffalo Bison, Neapolitan 3s, man. Let's talk about some shocking news, man. Yes, sir. So on the note of shocking news, I do have a shoe here. Ooh, yes. They released a couple years ago, man. You know we can't talk about this shoe without bringing out this shoe, man. But like I did say, man, we're supposed to be seeing the 2.0 version of the Spider-Man here in a few hours, you know what I'm saying? If we just being honest, you know, it's supposed to be dropping in a few hours, but in my opinion, man, they ain't got nothing. They ain't got nothing on the OG Spider-Mans. Of course, very reminiscent of the OG Air Jordan Chicago color blocking, and I still got a brand new fresh dead stock. And when I say clean, fresh, buttery, shout out to Mike Rich, pair, bruh. Bang! Clean shoe, man. So mine is still dead stock, man. Have not worn these yet. Clean, man. These came with, of course, the extra set of red laces with the blue tips on them, man. Spider-Man vibes. But these released back in what, 2020, maybe 2019, man. Somewhere around that time, man. But I had, maybe even before that, bro. I had these for a while, man. But definitely more of a simplistic looking shoe, although it does have like those little speckles on that red part, but from a distance you cannot really see that, man. But this was the OG pair. Of course, a lot of y'all know, a lot of y'all don't know. Just wanted to show these to y'all, and I just want to pay respect to these because I think that this is the better shoe of the two. But however, we gotta put some light and shed some light on the upcoming shoe, man. So shout out to my guy, like I did tell y'all, A-Rod over at Top Shelf Gear. He is the one that provided me with my Travis Scott olives, man. Salute to him. He sent your boy over some footage so we can, you know what I'm saying, get a first look to say of what we shall expect with the Spider-Man 2.0s, man. So across the Spider-Verse, I guess is what they call, man. But bam, right there. Take a look at the shoes, man. They not bad. I think they workable in my opinion. They're a little different, but I think they went more towards the movie theme when they created that shoe, you know what I'm saying? Like the details on it, bro, like I'm not mad at it, you know what I'm saying? I think that it's a dope movie themed shoe, and of course they did nail it on the head, bro. We got to keep it real, like with the theme on the back. And I was asking the homie, I was like, yo, is that back part by the Wings logo, is that 3M? Because I was just like, it looks like it has 3M vibes on it, but he told me now when he hit it with the flash, it's not 3M. However, he said it looks like that there's an iridescent hit on the black part around that ankle collar. As y'all can see, it is iridescent in that area, man. So it's a lot of little things going on in that shoe. And then of course below that, man, it just looks like a computer glitch, you know what I'm saying? Like it's a lot going on. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. And another thing that I did notice about this shoe that is different from other Air Jordan 1s, there's a lot of different like cuts and creases in different areas, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not like a whole solid one piece color blocking. It looks like there's like leather cuts in certain areas where you don't normally see on Air Jordan 1s, man. So it does come with the all over red outsole, as you can see, translucent outsole, same as the OGs, but that one is just in an all over red, man. So you know, it might take a little bit of time for that color to change on that, but overall, man, I think that it's a dope movie themed shoe, you know what I'm saying? I'm not mad at it, you know. I gotta get it in hand, I gotta see the details for myself, like I gotta hold it, pause, you know what I'm saying? But I gotta see it for myself in order to get my official stamp on it. But just from the looks at it, bro, it's looking pretty solid, man. So shout out to A-Rod for giving the fam a first look, man. Make sure y'all check him out over on Instagram, give him a follow, shop with him if you would like, you know, everything is A1 over there. But yeah, man, hey, shout out to him for giving us that footage, and let me know y'all thoughts on that shoe, man. Were you one of the ones who was like, nah, I'm not feeling them, and you keeping that same energy, or has your energy shifted? You now starting to see more pictures, people are hyping them up. Did it get to you? You know what I'm saying? Hey, I ain't gonna hold you. When I first seen that picture, I think I made a post on my story like, nah, these ain't it. But hey, man, in time, you know, you see more details of the shoe and all that, they kind of grow on you, man. So I can't knock the shoe, you know. It's a creative shoe, and like I did say, it does match the theme of the movie, man. So y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions. If, big if, rumors If it does drop tomorrow, May 2nd, I think the retail price will be $180. And at what time will it drop? Hey, only the Lord and people who work at Nike might know that, man. So, you know, hey, good luck to y'all if y'all are going after them. I wish W's to everybody who is watching this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, your true thoughts and opinions, man. And if it does drop and you get a W, come back to the video and let me know, hey, bro, I got them. I got them. And when you get them, let me know if you like them. Same energy? Nah, yes. But that is it for this one. I just had to report to y'all shocking news when it comes about. I gotta let y'all know, keep y'all up to date with the latest and all that. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Give the video a like, y'all. Like I said, man, 2K likes, that's nothing. And the family is too solid for that, man. We really could be going higher than that. I'm cutting myself short, man. But 2K likes, that's all your boys asking for. And y'all stay blessed. I'm gonna come at y'all tomorrow with some more content. Y'all just keep smashing that like button. Keep commenting down below. And I'm see y'all soon, man. Y'all stay blessed. Good luck. Keep your eyes on that.
Your eye on that app this week.
Peace.
You know it's we the best. Keep your eye on that app this week.